Hi student, welcome to solve this nice Olympiad problem. 1 divided by 7 power 1 divided by 7. This will be, after applying formula, a divided by b whole power a divided by b. This will be b 7 into 1 divided by 7. This will be root xy is equal to root x divided by root y. After applying this formula, root 1 into 7 divided by root 7 into 7. This will be 1 divided by root 7, 7. 1 divided by root a n is equal to a divided by 1 divided by root n into a into n, a into n minus 1 divided by n into a into n minus 1. This will be 1 divided by 7 and root 7 into 7 into 7 power 7 minus 1 divided by 7 into 7 power 7 minus 1. This will be 1 divided by root 7 into 7 into 7 and root 7 power 6. 7 minus 5 is also 6. 7 power 6. This will be 7 power 6 divided by 7 into root 7, 7 into root 6. This will be 7 and root 7 power 6 divided by 7 into 7 power 6 base 7. This will be a into m into a into n is equal to a power m plus n. This will be a root of 7 power 6 base 7 divided by root 7 1 plus 6 base 7. That is 7 power 3 into 7 power 3. 6 is equal to 3 plus 3, and also apply this formula. A into this will be divided by 7 into root 7 power 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. After this, this 7 and root 7 cube is equal to 343 into 343 divided by 7. This 343 multiplied by 343 is equal to 343 multiply by 300 plus 40 plus 3. That is equal to 343 into 300 plus 343 into 40 plus 343 into 3. That is equal to 3 multiplied by 30 is equal to 102900 plus this into this 13720 after calculation plus 343 into 3 is equal to 1029. This. After adding this will be 9, 224, 0, 7, 9, 16, 6, 1, remain 1, 4, and 2, 7. This will be 1 into 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Into 6, 4, 9 is also equal to 343 multiplied by 343. That's 7 into 11, 76, 9 into 11, 76, 9 divided by 7. Sorry, after multiplying this value is given 11, 76, 9 divided by 7. That is our final answer. 7 into 11, 76, 9 divided by 7. Thank you for watching video till end. Please subscribe for more interesting math problems. If you have any questions or suggestion, please write in comment box.